How to log in to Vodafone account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Vodafone account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.vodafone.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Vodafone. Now, tap on the globe icon on the top right of your screen and further select your country. You will then be redirected to the official webpage of Vodafone for that particular country. Now, tap on the person-like icon you see there on the top right and then tap on the Login to My Vodafone option. Now, go ahead and enter your mobile number or username and then tap on the Continue button. If you have forgotten your username or don't have access to your mobile number, then you can tap on the Forgot Username option or I don't know my mobile number option respectively. In the interface that you will then be led to, go ahead and enter your password. And just in case if you do not remember your password, then tap on the Forgotten Password button and recover your password, and further tap on the Continue button, and with this you will be successfully logged in to Vodafone account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.